The next thing is, there is something I've seen you post many times and again, that once you write your content, you take it to an app, and almost every time that you post it, you always have over 90 or sometimes even 100% organic content. Is there a secret to that?
Should I say yes or no?
Okay.
Because the thing is this is something we call experience.
Okay.
And we call something knowledge too, an expertise. If you are an expert in the field, you have the knowledge, you have the experience. I don't think there is anything you want to do in the field that you can't do. So the secret I teach my students. But then there's something I always say.
Yeah.
There is no matter who you decide to learn from, make sure you learn the art of writing quality and unique content. See,